Anyway, this is a quick video. I really wanted to do an unboxing of a few other watches that we got in, but I just don't have the time. And unfortunately, next week there's not going to be any video as I'm going to be away. But there is a really cool video coming in 2 weeks. We've been working on it for quite some time. It's really awesome. You guys are going to love it. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. It really helps our channel a lot. Until next time, peace.